family believed their oldest protector had become useless, so they replaced him. That decision almost cost them everything. For 12 years, Bruno guarded the farmhouse. He never missed a sound. Every night he walked the same fence, while everyone inside slept peacefully. As years passed, his fur turned gray. His steps became slower. His bark became softer. One day, the owner looked at him and sighed. He's too old now. A young, muscular German shepherd arrived.
You're here!
Loud, fast,
He's amazing!
fearless. Everyone admired him.
Good boy,
The
Rex.
children stopped playing with Bruno.
You're such
The
a
new
good
dog
boy.
proudly took over the gate. Bruno quietly moved to the back porch, without a single complaint. One stormy night, the young dog barked wildly at every flash of lightning. Every shadow looked like an enemy. Everyone ignored him. He's always barking, they said. But Bruno didn't bark. He stood completely still. His nose caught something hidden beneath the rain. Not thunder. Not wind. Footsteps. Someone had already crossed the back fence. Bruno didn't waste a second. Despite his aching legs, he ran with every bit of strength left inside him. He attacked the intruder before anyone even woke up. Only after hearing the struggle did the young dog rush over. The thief was caught. The family stood frozen. They looked at Bruno, bleeding, breathing heavily, yet still standing between them and danger. The old dog hadn't become weak. He had simply become wise enough to know when to bark. The owner knelt beside him, tears filling his eyes. I thought your strength was gone, but it was only your noise that disappeared. Some people stop making noise, not because they've become weak, but because they've learned what truly matters. Experience rarely shouts. It watches, it waits, and when the right moment comes, it saves everyone. Never replace wisdom just because youth is louder.